In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use affiliate marketing tools with membership platforms, whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your current setup. If you're struggling to tie affiliate marketing and membership platforms together for maximum revenue, stick with me. I'm going to break it down so you can take action right away. First, let's talk about why you should even care about integrating affiliate marketing with your membership platform. Simply put, affiliate marketing allows you to leverage other people's networks to drive traffic and sales, while a membership platform is where your content lives and where your subscribers access exclusive content. Combining the two can increase your passive income and expand your reach. But the key is having the right tools to do it seamlessly. Now, let's get into the process. The first step is to choose the right affiliate marketing software that integrates smoothly with your membership platform. I've tested a few options, and the software we'll be using today is a standout when it comes to ease of use and flexibility. You'll want to choose a platform that supports both affiliate tracking and easy access to content for your members. The software we'll be using allows you to create affiliate programs, track commissions, and manage memberships all in one place. Once you've selected your software, it's time to set up your affiliate program. You want to define what your affiliates will promote, what kind of commissions they will earn, and how you'll track performance. For example, you can offer affiliates a flat rate or a percentage of sales based on how much they drive in revenue. The software we're using makes it easy to configure these settings, so you don't need to worry about manually tracking everything. Next, you'll want to integrate your affiliate program with your membership platform. Many membership platforms allow you to do this automatically through plugins or API integrations. You can set up an automated system where new members are automatically enrolled in your affiliate program once they sign up, or where they can access affiliate links and promotional materials easily through their member dashboard. Once the integration is in place, you'll need to set up your affiliate dashboard. This is where your affiliates can log in to view their earnings, track their referrals, and get marketing materials like banners and links. The software we're using today gives your affiliates everything they need in one central hub, which makes the whole process smoother and more effective. Then it's time to test everything. Before launching, make sure that your affiliate links are tracking correctly, your members can access their affiliate tools, and your commission structures are working as expected. The last thing you want is to find out something's broken after you've already started driving traffic. Take a few test runs and make sure everything's running smoothly. As you're starting to drive traffic, you'll see that your membership platform will grow, but so will your affiliate network. A successful affiliate marketing strategy with your membership platform is all about creating a community where affiliates feel motivated to promote your content. Use emails, updates, and rewards to keep them engaged. Here's the key takeaway. Integrating affiliate marketing with membership platforms can drastically increase your passive income, but it requires the right software and setup. You need an affiliate program that's easy to manage, seamless with your membership platform, and easy for your affiliates to navigate. To summarize, pick the right affiliate marketing software, set up your program with clear terms, integrate it with your membership platform, and create a smooth experience for your affiliates. Test everything and then start promoting. And remember, if you want to follow along, I've linked an exclusive free trial to the software we use today in the description below, only for viewers of my channel. Take advantage of that free trial and get started with affiliate marketing on your membership platform today.